Skyla.
Hi guys, I'm Hannah and we are from 12 Austin.
Hi, my name is Jana and welcome to our JDVP vlog.
Let's go!
So the benefits of hand washing is to prevent the spread of microorganisms.
First, you need to keep distance sa sink para hindi ka mabasa ng water. Then next, you should gather all the materials needed, which is yung soap, and of course, clean towel, and then the water. So the first thing you need to do, since maghuhugas ka pa lang ng kamay, buksan mo yung sink, buksan mo yung faucet, and then i-rinse mo yung kamay mo. And after that, pump an ample amount of soap. Then start by rubbing your palms together. Then rub the back of both hands. Interface fingers and rub them together. Interlock and rub the back of the fingers. Next is to rub the thumb in a rotating manner. Then rub fingertips on palms for both hands. Then lastly, rub the wrist in a rotating manner. Then after that, since meron ka ng sabon sa kamay mo, let's assume na meron akong paper towel dito. And then kukuha ako ng isa, then I will use it to open the faucet. So next, rinse. And after that, yun ulit, assume na kumuha ko ng paper towel. And then I'll use it to turn off the faucet. After that, use a clean towel to dry your hands.
A hairnet keeps hair securely in place, allowing us to focus on tasks safely and comfortably. Face mask helps prevent the spread of germs and protects breathing.
Wearing hand gloves help protect the hands from germs and direct contact with dirt or body fluids. Also, wearing the lab gowns protect clothes and skin from spills and possible contamination. Stretching helps reduce muscle tension and prepares the body for safe and active caregiving tasks. Proper posture protects us from body strain and helps prevent injuries.